Imagine a place where the sun kisses the ocean, where the sand is as white as pearls, and where time seems to stand still. Welcome to Bali, a tropical paradise nestled in the heart of the Indian Ocean. Bali is a tapestry of natural wonders, a place where the Earth's beauty is on full display. As you step onto the island, you're greeted by pristine beaches that stretch as far as the eye can see. These aren't ordinary beaches, though. They're fringed by swaying palm trees that dance in the gentle ocean breeze, while the soft white sand underfoot feels like a warm caress. But the beauty of Bali extends beyond the shoreline. Venture a little further inland and you'll find a landscape that's just as breathtaking. Here, emerald green rice terraces roll across the hills, creating a patchwork of vibrant color that's as mesmerizing as a work of art. And looming over this idyllic scene is the majestic Mount Agung, a volcano that's as much a part of Bali's identity as the beaches themselves. Yet, the true magic of Bali lies beneath the surface of its azure waters. This is a world where brilliantly colored coral reefs provide a home for a kaleidoscope of marine life. From the tiniest clownfish to the gentle giant manta rays, the underwater realm of Bali is a spectacle that's as enchanting as any fairy tale. And all of this is bathed in the warmth of the tropical sun. In Bali, the climate is a dream come true for those in search of relaxation. The days are warm and filled with sunshine, while the nights are cooled by the gentle whisper of the ocean breeze. It's a place where you can unwind and let the stresses of the world melt away. Bali, a land of beauty and tranquility, is waiting for you. Whether you're a lover of nature, an adventurer at heart, or simply in need of a peaceful retreat, Bali is a destination that promises to captivate your senses and rejuvenate your spirit. Bali offers more than just breathtaking landscapes. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in a rich cultural tapestry and experience the warmth of its people. Let's start with the unique experiences Bali offers, a paradise that captivates the senses in every possible way. Imagine yourself surrendering to the expert hands of a traditional Balinese masseuse as she kneads away your stress using century-old techniques. The scent of essential oils fills the air and you find yourself sinking into a state of absolute relaxation. But Bali is not just about the physical, it's a spiritual haven too. The island is dotted with temples, each one a serene oasis offering a tranquil escape from the bustling world outside. As you step inside, you feel a sense of profound peace enveloping you, the kind that only comes from being in a place of divine reverence. You can't help but be moved by the spiritual tranquility that these temples exude. For those seeking a rush of adrenaline, Bali doesn't disappoint. The island's crystal-clear waters are perfect for a myriad of water sports. Whether it's surfing on the powerful waves, exploring the vibrant coral reefs on a scuba dive, or simply paddleboarding at sunset, the thrill of these activities is sure to leave you exhilarated. Then there's the delectable Balinese cuisine. Each dish is a celebration of flavors, a symphony of spices that dances on your palate. Savor the rich taste of babi guling, a traditional Balinese suckling pig, or the spicy kick of sambal, a local chili sauce that'll leave you craving for more. As the sun sets, the island comes alive with a vibrant nightlife. Areas like Seminyak transform into a lively hub filled with trendy bars and clubs. The pulsating beats of music, the clinking glasses, the laughter-filled air, it's a testament to the island's vivacious spirit. In Bali, every sight, every sound, every taste contributes to its overall allure. The island is not just a destination, it's a sensory journey that leaves you enriched, rejuvenated, and craving for more. Every moment in Bali is an experience waiting to be savored. It's the blend of natural beauty, rich culture, and warm hospitality that makes Bali truly enchanting. Picture this: a tropical paradise where lush landscapes meet azure waters, where the air is filled with the scent of frangipani and the sound of gamelan music. Bali is not just a place, it's a feeling, a rhythm, a vibrant dance of life that unfolds before your very eyes. The allure lies not just in its picturesque landscapes, but in the depth of its cultural tapestry. Every corner of this island is steeped in tradition, from the intricate temples to the colorful ceremonies, and let's not forget the Balinese people, whose warmth and hospitality are as inviting as the island's sunny shores. What makes Bali truly special is how all these elements harmoniously come together, creating a symphony of experiences that captivate the senses and soothe the soul. Bali, with its serene beauty and captivating experiences, is not just a place to visit, but a world to explore.